When is the best age to purchase life insurance? As a 30-something-year-old man, I wish I really would have paid more attention to whenever I was about 10 years younger. And truthfully, the optimal age, the short answer, is that right after birth is the perfect age.
Now give me a double espresso.
Here's what I mean by that. So life insurance will literally go up in price every single year. But let's just be realistic for just a second here. When you're young and you're in your 20s, the last thing on your mind is life insurance. I mean, you're already trying very, very hard to make ends meet. You're eating a lot of ramen noodles. Maybe you just graduated from college, you just got your first job, and then you got a place in Buckhead and you're just trying to figure out how you're gonna make ends meet. The last thing that you wanna do is really add to your bills. Most young Americans are not thinking about life insurance, but they absolutely should. Life insurance is the ultimate financial tool for those giant what if moments. It can even be useful when the death benefit isn't even triggered. It's an absolute mistake to assume that only older couples with children in a home are the ones that need life insurance. It's always less expensive for someone younger to purchase life insurance than someone older. Without any other considerations, starting a life insurance policy for a 22-year-old is a better proposition than getting one started as a 55-year-old. All right, let's talk about some reasons why you would buy life insurance. Really, the most obvious reason is when you have clear insurable interests that you want to be financially protected from if something catastrophic happened. So for example, if you have a large amount of credit card debt, or if you have student loan debt, a mortgage payment, car loans, the debts that you don't want to be passed on to your loved ones if you should pass away. You might also have a spouse or children, people that rely on your income if you were to pass away. That's another way that life insurance can be used. Insurance can have other benefits besides just that death benefit policy. For example, in a lot of term life policies, built in within them are coverages that will help you if you come down with a terminal illness or you need some what we call living benefits, money if you need long-term medical care and that sort of thing. Waiting to purchase life insurance can have not just a financial impact on you. In other words, it's not just gonna cost you more money, but potentially it could even affect whether or not you get it in the first place. You see, life insurance is one of those things that is very, very strict, and when you start having pre-existing conditions, when you start tacking that in, you may or may not be as healthy as you were when you were 20, when you're 30, 40, 50, 60. Medical conditions are more likely to develop over the years, which is either going to limit the options that you have with respect to the pricing for that life insurance policy. And it might even limit whether or not you're going to be able to get it. If you have any questions about life insurance and the different types of life insurance, which I didn't even want to get into tonight, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss those options with you. It takes me absolutely zero time to give you an idea of what it would cost you per month or per year to get a life insurance policy started for you today. If you think you're okay because, oh, I've got a life insurance policy through my employer, please give me a call, especially because I need to tell you why that policy is not only insufficient, but at the end of the day, you do not want to be tied to an employer when it comes to life insurance. Thank you so much for watching Ask Woody Wednesday. I hope that you found value in this video. Please do me a favor. Share this with someone that you feel deserves to know this information, someone that you think needs to know about life insurance or just insurance in general, or that needs to be introduced to my video series here on the Rhodes Group's Facebook page. Like it and come back next Wednesday when we talk about something all new. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.